According to Shib Informer over on Twitter, we have some leaked footage of the new Shiba Inu burn portal on Shibarium that has been potentially revealed. Now, I caution all of this by saying I have not, solidified this information with Satoshi, and we'll see. This could change a little bit, but Shib Informer has been a pretty good source within the Shib ecosystem for many years. So let's dive into this article, guys, and talk about what the burn portal could look like when it drops on Shibarium. So the interface of the burn portal suggests that Shibarium will swap accumulated bone to Shiba Inu tokens and then send them to the burn address. Now, the Shiba Inu community has released leaks of the Shib burn portal on Shibarium. We're going to take a look at those later on in this video. The ecosystem's layer 2 network. The portal's interface suggests that Shibarium will swap accumulated bone then to Shib, which then will be sent to the burn address. Information from the interface indicates that the system will charge transaction fees in bone, aligning with the original concept. The bone tokens obtained from these fees will be accumulated until they reach a certain threshold. Once this threshold is crossed, any user can initiate the burn transaction. When the burn transaction is initiated, the accumulated bone tokens will be swapped for Shib and then burned accordingly. It's important to clarify that the current mechanism does not involve the incineration bone tokens. Instead, bone tokens will be converted to Shib. That's the important piece here. And then those sent to the burn address as they are Shib. So, Lucy, another prominent member of the Shib community, also drew attention to the leaked interface. Lucy emphasized that the burn portal is currently in its alpha testing stage. So this is what we have, guys. Hold on one sec. Let me share my screen back with you and present to you some of the leaked information. So here we go. Initiate burn on Shibarium. Amount of bone waiting to be burned. There it is right there. You can initiate the burn. Complete burn on Ethereum. You'll be able to initiate the burn once the amount of bone ready to be burned is greater than 10 bone. You could see that this is the beginning stages of what the burn portal on Shibarium will look like. Now, if we go over to Shib Informer's Twitter page, why burn Shib and not bone in Shibarium? The incentive on holding bone will be on delegation. You're going to be able to assign it to many of the max of 100 validators at start and get some income for that. On the other side, Shib will benefit from burns by reducing supply as long as Shibarium is utilized. Companies and community projects using it and the support of the Shib army can make it a huge success. Shib, the metaverse and play-to-earn version of Shiba Eternity will also be using Shibarium. When beta version of Shibarium is done, how much? Not sure. Might take months or weeks, but is still going. I am looking forward to an announcement of ShibaSwap V2 as an important milestone before that. Sorry, but I don't have specific dates. Now, let's see what Lucy is saying over here regarding this as well. Here's the article. She's talking about leaked images, revealed game-changing Shibarium mechanism. Whales start acquiring trillions of Shib. Now, we're not seeing it necessarily on the chart right now. Shiba Inu sitting at the 879 level. It is up slightly here, and this is probably on the news of these leaked documents coming out. A little bit of a spike there. You could see that is the whales accumulating there. We did dip all the way down to the 8.4 level. We're getting close to that 8.8 level right now. You could see the low point was 8.458. High point, we actually got all the way up to 8.982, almost broke into the nines there for a minute. So exciting times ahead. Shiba Inu's volume is up. That's good to see too. $137 million, $139 million now of volume. That is good to see. That volume number has been really down as of late. So it's great to see that spike back up over 100 million. And that market cap now comfortably back over 5 billion. Listen, there's great days ahead for Shib. And this is just a reminder that things can switch and change on a dime when we get news and information. And this is just very little information, right? Going back to what Lucy said over here, Shiba Inu community burns over 3 billion this week. That number is down, but still, burns are going to become very, very relevant when we have the new burn portal set up, right, on Shibarium. So that's what we got for you guys in this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other content. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.